How we make up our minds. The human brain is wired for laziness. Your brain is constantly running a cost benefit analysis. Like any other well evolved organism, we use mental shortcuts which are most efficient to save energy. Thinking fast and slow. We use two primary modes of thinking to process information and make decisions. Mode 1 is intuitive, instant, unconscious, automatic, and emotional. Mode 2 is slow, rational, conscious, reflective, reasoning, and deliberate. At any point in time, your active thoughts and actions varies depending on what mode is running. Slow, deliberate, focused, and logical thinking is often applied to complex problems. Deliberate thought is more reliable, but we rarely stop, reflect, and make slow decisions because in many situations our responses are automatic, hence the need to hone your intuitive thinking process. The intuitive mind. Intuitive thinking is an unconscious process for rapid action, judgment, or decisions. Most decisions we make are automatic. Your brain develop unconscious habits for handling situations over time. Our intuitions have been finely honed over evolutionary history for making quick decisions, mostly in the social realm. Using intuition, we translate our experiences into judgments, responses, and actions. You rely on intuition when you make decisions without concrete proof, scientific facts, psychological evidence, or active reasoning. Intuition helps us create expectations, connect the dots, flag inconsistencies, and warn us of potential problems. Albert Einstein has been widely quoted as saying, the intuitive mind is a sacred gift and the rational mind is a faithful servant. We have created a society that honors the servant and has forgotten the gift. Intuition could be called knowing without knowing why. Thinking with your heart or gut feeling. It is this unseen force that derives us. Your rational mind serves your intuition. Trust your gut, but it pays to think. Take a dive, but consider other possibilities. Check your hunches.